people, very good morning. We are traveling from Hyderabad to Vijayawada in our brand new Nexon. It's just been 300 kilometers we crossed in our Nexon, and you can see we are on the highway NH9 here, and this is a beautiful car we have, Nexon. Just parked it aside, and we will be doing the mileage run. Let's see what is the mileage it's currently showing. We started at 4:30 in the morning, and I think we covered around 70 kilometers in 1 hour in the ORR. Let's see how much is the kilometers of mileage it's showing right now. See, right now it's showing around 18.7. You can see that it's around 18.7. Let me just go a little near so that it's clear. And we covered 70 kilometers, and this is trip A. Trip B is tank to tank. So after full tank we have just traveled 117. Full tank to tank is showing 12.2, and total odo is 375. So we will be on trip A so that we can see how much kilometers we traveled and what is it now. We have completed 105 kilometers. As of now, you can see it's showing around 19.8 kilometers per liter. We are at the toll gate on the way to Vijayawada, and from Vijayawada we have to go to Visakhapatnam. And Hyderabad to Vijayawada road is pretty good actually, pretty decent. So as of now, you can see it's morning 6:10 AM, and we are at the GMR Expressway toll gate. I'll keep you updating the mileage. Take care, bye. So I'm trying to maintain a speed of around 93, 94 to 100, not crossing beyond 100. And right now it's showing around 20.5 kilometer per liter mileage in MID. We have been able to cover around 140 kilometers. Right now the time is around 6:34 AM. So it's been 2 hours since we started now, and we were able to cover in 140 kilometers. So you may assume how much is the average speed which we are able to maintain. Right now 100, effortless driving, I could say. I'm driving in eco mode. Mostly I try to drive in eco mode in order to get the maximum mileage. Light-footed drive. I did not drive it hard. So as of now we are on the way to Vijayawada. The dash cam is also helping us a lot. This is the 70mm dash cam. We will also review on this. Right now it's very, very helpful, and it's like a bot in your car helping you how to drive. We are just few kilometers away from Vijayawada, around 80-85. As of now we are trying to maintain a speed of around 80-85. We just entered Andhra, and as of now we are maintaining a speed of below 100, due to which we are able to get a mileage of 20.6 on MID. In Vijayawada we will do tank to tank method and see what is the tank to tank fuel efficiency we have received. I'm close to Vijayawada now. Since morning we were able to complete 290 kilometers, and right now fuel efficiency is showing around 20.1. tank here. Let us calculate how is the mileage for tank to tank when we calculate it. So 370.7 divided by 25 liters. So tank to tank is 14.8 kilometer per liter, which is pretty decent for a new car. And this is a combination of city and highway drive, not just the highway drive. Close to Rajamahendravaram, Rajahmundry. Right now we have completed 424.9 kilometers, and the mileage which is shown here is 19.0. The mileage has fallen or dropped significantly because of heavy traffic which we encountered in Vijayawada and Hanumantwaka or Hanuman Junction. So that's why we had to that mileage has dropped. Previously it was showing around 20.5 to 20.6. Around 1.5 kilometer per liter mileage has fallen because of heavy traffic. Right now I'm enjoying the drive because of 4 convenience which we have on this vehicle. One are the modes, sport, eco, and city mode. I try to use all the 3 modes based on the traffic conditions. I used mostly city in traffic and eco on highway runs like this. But right now I'm enjoying the convenience of the manual driving mode. I know if you want to have some fun along with some mileage, I think that's the right mode you can use or choose.